Welcome back to the next part of the Weekend of Challenge 51. So in this particular part, we'll be seeing the code scraper. So what is this basically about is, you have a web page full of quotes and, with the author, which author has given that quote, and then the, tags used. For example, is it inspirational, is it motivational, is it related to, life and all. So the objective is to build a SQL application that sends HTTP request to fetch the live web page content. So here you have to observe one more thing, that is basically you have to convert that from the web page to the HTML readable document. So then parses raw HTML documents using Go query framework. That this is what I meant. And then extracts quotes, author syntax using CSS selectors. Using CSS selectors to extract it. Then automatically follows pagination links across multiple pages. So if there is any option for next page, then it automatically goes to next page and fetches from there as well. Supports optional code filtering using CLI tag argument. So we can filter the code. For example, I need only live quotes and only motivational quotes, and then it can filter it. Export structured code into JSON file. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so first things first. We need to first build a structure for the code. So how does that code look like? Is basically the text. What does that code say? Author, who has given that code, and then tags. What is the tags used for that code? And then as we already discussed, we need to mention it. We need to search it from the live web page content. So for that we need a URL. So here is the URL. Basic URL. So here this is to basically codes.toscrape.com. So this is only the basic URL. We have to keep on building to this URL as to which tag you want and all. We'll be seeing that in upcoming code. Then comes the main function. So here you need to have the tag filter, which is initially empty, and then if the length of the argument is greater than 1, then so if it is present, then it belongs to the first index. Alright, so now if the tag filter is empty, then we say starting full scrapes of all codes without any tag filter. Now if the tag filter is there, then we say starting scrape for tag with that particular tag filter. For example, starting scrape for tag inspirational. So then you have to determine the URL and start scraping. So start URL is basically build start URL and then tag filter. So build start URL is a function which we'll be seeing further, and then we'll enter the tag filter. If there is any error, then we say scraping failed. Then we have to export data. So basically we export it to output2.json, and then if there's any error, then we say error saving file. So then we print the success statement. Now after that we have to set up. So build start URL is what the first function is about. So if the tag is empty, then the base URL plus page 1. Alright, so now if there is any tag, then it says base URL tag and then page 1 followed by page 1. Now the second function is basically the core scraping tools. So fetch and parse. So basically here what we have to do is fetch and parse. So we have to convert that online web service website into HTML query. So we basically HTML tags. So that is how we do it. We basically try to fetch it and then try to we use the Go query to convert it into HTML, loads HTML. So if there is any error, then we say receive error code and then error code. If not, then we continue further, and then helps to grab the next function is basically extract tags. So here it helps us to extract tag from that single quote, whatever the code is there. So now we use a find function for each of the query which is selected, and we find that with that particular tag. Whatever the tag is entered, we use to search with that particular tag. Now comes the main extraction function. So extract codes from doc. So here you can see first basically we select the raw text, and then we take the text from the normal the quote, then the author, and then there comes the extract tag. So whatever tags we are using for extraction, and then we build a structure which we discussed before, and then we append the code to our list. After that we have the generate next page URL. So if there is any next page option, then we automatically move on to the next page using the hyper reference. If not, if it is not existing, if it is false, then we return nothing, and then we return the final link. Now, so next comes the the scrape all pages function. So here we need to scrape all the pages which is present in that particular document. So we apply each and every function which is used for all the pages. So to prevent infinite spider traps, which we set the limit to, if it is more than 50 pages, then we break it. If not, then we continue. Basically get next page URL is what the function is really using. Before that, fetch and parse page, and then extract codes from that particular document, and then append it, then increase the page count by 1, and then final exporting it into the JSON file. So we have the JSON file, which will directly we'll export it to that JSON file, and then we'll marshal it. Basically marshalling is converting it into JSON object and then storing it. Let me run the program. So we have set this thing as inspirational. The tag here is inspirational. So you can see starting scrape for tag inspirational, collected scrape 2 pages and then 13 codes collected. I exported 13 codes to codes export to JSON. Codes output to .json. Now we go to file explorer, and then you can see. So this is one code. There are only 2 ways to live your life. One is through nothing is a miracle. One is as though nothing is a miracle. The other is as though everything is a miracle. So this is given by Albert Einstein. Next one is basically imperfection is beauty, madness is genius, and it's better to absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. So yeah, these are the codes. 13 codes have been extracted. So let me submit the program now. Let me understood the solution. So test case have passed, and that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.